You ready to hear this?
Here.
Oh yeah, she's dusty. Also, giveaway winner last season never claimed this slip-on exhaust, so this is still available. We're gonna have to do another giveaway. It's a no decibel killer. If you ever want it, it's just a little tube that goes in there. It quiets it down. All right, no decibel killer. Where are you going? I'm gonna get stuck doing this. All right, today we're putting this, well, it's new. It hasn't actually been used. It's been tested, but not used. This is the, which model is this? I don't know. It's a LeoVince. It was their newest one at the time. This one is way too loud. It should still look good. I think so. We're gonna install this today. And by we, I mean her. Because it's her bike. Now she gets to install this. I might have to go find you some Allen keys.
Okay.
All right, what size is this? 6. And a 13 is my guess. Not a 12, so it's a 13, which I apparently don't have in a socket. Regular wrenches. So yeah, the reason we're doing this in the first place is because it was way too loud. So we're changing this one because we can't hear each other in our Cardo things.
And my hands be vibrating way too much.
Yeah, and this one does vibrate the bike quite a bit. Is it a 6? Double check it for me.
This one?
Of course it is.
Dogs aren't on fire?
Well, one of them's at least not on fire. What do you, no. You stay in there. They're not on fire at the very least. So there's a nut on the other end of it.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then this is just a spacer, but I think you can reuse it for the carbon.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say this one big
I think
here.
that's for the other one that's in there.
Did you bring me an Allen key for this?
That's a 5, I'm guessing. I'll be right back.
Thanks.
So this is old news, but shout out to LeoVince again for sending me 3 exhausts so far. I wish they had one for the Hayabusa, a set of slip-ons, because well, they were kind of before I bought the bike, but then I dropped the bike and the one even more. So, you ready to hear this?
Here.
Straight bike.
To be honest, it doesn't sound much different than with this on.
No, it's pretty much the same. It sounds horrible. It sounds disgusting. Look at all the dogs. They're like, oh my gosh, we're going for a bike ride? Anyways, again, shout out to LeoVince. I wish they had, I think I already said this, but I wish they had a system for the, let me show you this. Wait, she's installing it. So you still have to use this little.
The spacer?
Yep.
Yeah. Is that the only size?
That's your bolt, yep. Here, I got your bolt. Oh wait, no, is that bolt longer? It is, okay. Longer, or wider. The offset's like perfect. I think that's good. You slid all the way onto that pipe?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not as low as it goes.
Okay.
Easy peasy.
So these systems are relatively inexpensive, and they're a good way to enhance the aesthetics as well as the sound of your bike. So fire her up.
I'm scared.
It sounds good. They all sound good. The other one's just loud, so I wanted it because I wanted to be obnoxious.
I guess it's not
Quiet,
bad.
but it sounds good.
That's not bad.
No, it sounds good. It still sounds mean. Give her a max it out, red line.
No.
It sounds really good and way quieter. And this one just sounds stupid. Like, it's good. You know what? And we definitely now have no reason for this one. So if you have a bike that's compatible with this, which is the Ninja 400, I'll be giving this one away too. So subscribe so that you see those shorts videos and can enter to win this giveaway. But yeah, it's gonna sound so much better now. This one was cool. while it lasted, but yeah, I don't need it. I also don't need the other one, so keep an eye on those shorts. I'm gonna do a giveaway on it, and I have like at least a week to enter. Bitch, I'm a mechanic. Rex, no, boy, come here. I get it. All right, look at these dumbass slip-ons that I got. These are the Voodoo ones. They sound good. Like I'm so dark right now. Did I max this out? These sound really good, but the bike fell on this side at some point, not with me on it, and that slip-on's bent. And then I dropped the bike the other day and smoked this slip-on as well. So, and this one hits my foot peg because it's bent, so you can see that, or not my foot peg, sorry, my kickstand hits this because it's bent. So I just need a new one. I got lazy and haven't reached out to any of those companies yet. Look at this little dog. This is Rex's bike now. Rex, tell him what to do. Anyways, here is the exhaust. Looks good, sounds good. Honestly, I don't know why I didn't keep this one to begin with. I just wanted to be loud. I wanted to be heard. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content, like this video, and we'll see you next time.